An angry client is a nightmare in any business. लेकिन सोचिए if that customer is now in your store, गीले बालों के साथ and is in a tearing hurry to leave and holds you responsible for all the delays. Poof! An angry woman with long wet hair. I really don't want to be in Richa's shoes right now. Let's see how she gets out of this one.
I am really sorry. Can I get you something? She's doing something. She's just finishing.
No, please ask her right now. Otherwise I'm leaving.
3 minutes later, I realized my mistake because I realized that there was no senior stylist available at that given point of time to do the cut. And she got very agitated because she said, hey, I need to go back and I'm in a rush and how can you do this? Can I get you something to drink, tea, coffee, something at all?
Anything.
Okay.
Just ask her and let me know, please, as soon as possible.
She has said that it will take another 5 minutes. Is that okay? I'll ensure she comes here in 5 minutes.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Thank you for your patience. How long will she take? How long will she take really?
The client is done waiting and looks like she is about to storm off.
Please get me another one. Seriously, I have to go. I can't wait.
I'm really sorry. Let me get you Manisha. I apologize.
It shouldn't be happen. You promised, but see.
I know. Come, let me get Manisha
I'm
for
waiting
you.
since long.
I'm really sorry. Come. I'll come now. I'll get Manisha instantly. You don't need to wait for anybody. I'll get her instantly. Come. Finally, the stylist came on board. So luckily she agreed to a stylist and didn't wait for a senior stylist. But I'm not sure how much we managed to convince her about how great and rich was. I'm really sorry to have made you wait.
Wow, seriously, very disappointed.
What would you like us to do?
No, nothing. Thank you so much.
But it was a learning experience for me, and I'm sure that they're used to it here in the salon, but not something that I'm used to facing. And the disgruntled consumer was like a awakening.
With the upset customer finally at ease, Richa has more to focus on.
As the evening came closer, it just felt the tension started to mount up, and we didn't know really how we were going to achieve the target. And then a lady walked in who just wanted to get her hair blow dried.
Only wash?
Yeah.
Nothing else?
Can you do a monodose with the wash? The time ज़्यादा ना रखें तो
उसमें ही हो जाता है ना वैसे तो Kerastase का wash हो जाएगा.
She was actually a ritual consumer and she was into Kerastase, and that got our minds working to say that if she believes in the product, maybe she'll agree to do it.
Fine care and monodose.
ठीक है. But monodose normally what she does is she makes me sit and then she does.
There, if you want, I'll tell her to do it at the back wash only. It's not going to make much difference and take much time.
She was in a rush. This is where we tried to club and say, hey, we'll crunch the time, do it together, make it happen. So we got our first real Kerastase consumer in, and we knew this would be a high value service for us. So she wants to do it fast. Yeah, so at the back wash as well. Also, I realized that I needed to keep an eye out for the turnover and whether we were closer to the 50,000. 7 people have picked up.
Great job, 30,600.
Like I did something. And this is all
with service and product.
So then that's a problem.
So if it's only services, we've done 24.
So we are halfway through.
We are halfway through at 5 o'clock.
Which is not a good idea.
We've got to tell them.
And
Yeah,
happy, happy, so happy. Hi.
I wanted to add a haircut. I don't have enough one.
No problem. Come, we have. Oh, you.
Is it free?
5 minutes.
The evening, as expected, brings in more customers.
Hello. Hi. What would you like to get done?
कलर अप्लाई कराना चाहती हूँ।
हाँ, क्या करवाना चाहती हूँ कलर में? सोचना है क्या करवाना चाहती हूँ। On the other side, there was another objective left which we hadn't really managed to do much on, was to convert a consumer of a global hair color towards a more fashion angle. Turn कीजिए, आपके तो बहुत सुंदर बाल हैं, आप highlights करवा लीजिए, आपके बाल accentuate होंगे, थोड़ा चेहरा खिलेगा।
क्या मेरे बाल में अच्छा लगेगा तो आई थिंक वो मैं अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ।
आइए उधर आइए, अंदर आइए।
Richa steps up her game and strives to make sure that the client has a pleasant experience.
ये रिति हैं, doesn't want anything very dramatic. तो मैंने बोला you can still have subtle shades and not like a very contrasting shade. तो आपको अभी दिखा देंगे, आप देख लीजिए कैसे करना चाहिए। So we finally had a person who walked in for a regular color and got upgraded or moved to a fashion color and a highlighting, and I think that was fabulous. That was another big tick across our list of objectives, so it felt good.
Richa goes about ensuring that Enrich comes across as a customer-friendly and affectionate brand.
So I'm glad it's all worked out. Are you happy now?
Yeah, a little bit, but not much.
But I hope at least the cut, you're happy with the cut and you're happy with the way you're looking.
Not that much because you know कि अगर वो होता था तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता था. But okay.
She's very good. I promise you when it's all done, have a look at it.
Let's see.
We promise to make you feel even better next time. Come back soon.
Yeah, surely.
Thank you very much for being so patient. I just went through the revenue report and we've done only sales worth 32,000. I still think that we're a long way to go and time's passing. We need to, hit 50,000 very soon. So I need to do something different will have to come up soon. I think I should just step out. I'm in the middle of a lot of buzz. It's Hill Road and there's a lot of traffic at this time and there's a lot of people around shopping, lounging. So maybe I should just go and start talking to the consumers directly.
Our Masters in Business Management does take business very seriously. The target has to be met, whether it be from the confines of the store or out on the streets.
Hi, आप लोग क्या shopping करने आए हुए हो? Yes. So I'm from Enrich Salon and we are trying to do something different and we are trying to see if you'd like some service. तो आप कुछ कराना चाहेंगे अंदर? तीनों में से तीनों आए हुए हो, कुछ तो कराओ, इकट्ठे आए हुए हो. Try तो करो, देख के तो देखो, rate card देख लो. Right? Okay. Enjoy your shopping. Thank you. Hi, can I talk to you for a minute? Okay, I've come from the Enrich Salon. We are just trying to see if there are people who'd like to try our services and we can give a special... Oh, thank you. And the one person I had to find was a hairdresser. Hi, can I talk to you for a second? Okay, I can try. So went out, a lot of people who were apprehensive and said, no, don't want to talk, please, what is this? 1 minute मैं आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ? Okay. Hi, can I talk to you for a minute? Just a minute.
Not interested.
Okay. People have just started to say a blanket no now.
Her new job seems to be taking a big toll on Richa. लेकिन अभी तो पिक्चर बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. She has still to meet the target and she is out on Hill Road in Bandra hoping मुंबई के इतने सारे लोगों में से she can convert just a few to become customers.
आगे जाइए भैया, यहाँ पे कोई मतलब एकदम सैलून का दरवाजा के सामने खड़े होने को किसने बोला आपको?
धंधा होना चाहिए ना मेरा.
आप सुने हमारी बात? आप आगे जाइए, ये लोग खत्म करेंगे, आप आगे जाइए. नहीं तो हम बोलेंगे किसी को उठा के आगे ले जाने को.
Which company does Richa Singh currently work for? A. Garnier, B. Lakme. SMS your answer to 59995 or log on to www.utvmoney.com/the assignment. Which Enrich outlet is Richa Singh assigned to? A. Villaparle, B. Bandra. SMS your answer to 59995 और लॉग ऑन टू www.utvmoney.com/the assignment। जो भी सीजन के एंड तक सबसे ज्यादा करेक्ट आंसर्स भेजेगा उसे मिलेगा एक LCD टेलीविजन।